Hello and welcome to the second video. In this video we will dive deep into the object references. The first and most important part is that everything in Python is an object. That means if you create an integer, you are actually creating an object. Or if you create a string, you are also creating an object. And when you create your own object, you are making an object, of course. Similarly, when you define a function, you are also creating an object. So let's see what happens when we perform a standard variable assignment in Python. Let's start it. Give it a try and write n equals an integer number. And let's check what happened in the background. When we assign 200 to n, we reference n to a part of memory that stores 200. So let's check what happened if I define a new variable called m and make it equal to n. Right now, both variables refer to the cell in the memory that stores 200. Let's print both variables and see the result first. As you can see, 200 has been printed 2 times. So now, what happens if I want to change the m value with another integer, for example 300? Right now in the memory, we have a new cell that stores 300 and m refers to the cell. And in the last part, I want to change n with another value, for example a string value. Let's check what happened in the memory. Of course, n refers to another cell in memory which stores hello, and it has no reference to the cell which stores 200. So what happened with the cell that stores 200 in memory? In Python, we call this object as an orphan object because no variable will refer to this part of memory. And it's Python's garbage collector's responsibility to remove the orphan object from memory. Let's go back and print them to see the results. As you can see, initially 200 are printed and after the variable are changed to hello and 300. Thank you for watching the video. If the video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe to see more videos. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment on the video.